Manchester United have done their research on Lille striker Jonathan David and could make a move for him in January, a report has claimed. Rasmus Hojlund is yet to pick up momentum in the Premier League after his arrival from Atalanta in the summer. Therefore, there have been rumours about Man United bringing in another striker to support him, especially if Anthony Martial leaves. Financially, there is only so much Man United can do this month, which has led to links with a range of lower-profile targets. But an intriguing link has just cropped up regarding a player who is about to turn 24 this month. His name is Jonathan David. According to Football Transfers, Man United are very interested in the Canada international. Jonathan David's admirers Manchester United are said to be giving thought to a January move for the striker, who is only under contract with Lille until the end of next season. Jonathan David is not eager to stay at Lille and would be interested in a transfer to the Premier League. David is now in the 6th season of his professional career in Europe, the first 2 of which were spent with Gent before his move to Lille. In all 6 of those seasons, he has scored double figures of goals across all competitions, including 10 from 23 appearances this season. No player is yet to reach 10 goals this season for Manchester United, in contrast. And to emphasise just how bleak things are up front for Manchester United, David hasn't even been at his best this season. Literally, half of his goals have come within his 17 France Ligue 1 appearances, scoring a hat-trick in the Coupe de France against amateur side Golden Lion certainly helped his tally. Yet he is still eclipsing the form of his counterparts at Erik Ten Hag's disposal. Even if you took that hat-trick out, he would still have 1 more goal than Manchester United's top scorers this season, Rasmus Hojlund and Scott McTominay, on 6 goals. He has a release clause of £35 million, and Man United are considering making a move for him this January if they are able to sell some players. Do you think signing Jonathan David for £35 million is a good idea? Let us know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Manchester United news and updates. Thanks for watching.